In this video I give a short demonstration of the LEARN PASCAL cartridge for the Texas Instruments TI-74 pocket computer. In addition to the pre-installed BASIC, the TI-74 also offers the option of programming the device in Pascal language. To my knowledge, in 1985, the TI-74 was the first, and together with later Palm Handhelds and Casio PB200C, almost the only pocket computer who offered the option to run Pascal code. The Pascal Interpreter presented in the module is a subset of UCSD Pascal, which was very popular in the late 70s and early 80s, especially on Apple II. The Pascal ROM cartridge was an optional accessory and was manufactured from 1985. In order to run Pascal, you have to insert the cartridge into the slot on the top right of the TI-74. Make sure the device is powered off before you install the cartridge. Now turn the console on by pressing the on key and press CLR. To load the module, make sure you are in basic mode, then type Run Pascal and press Enter. If no basic program is in memory or if a Pascal program is there, the message Pascal system initialized is displayed. Press CLR or Enter and you can now start to program the TI-74 in Pascal language. The following short program shows Pascal in action. The program asks for the number of a month and then shows in which of the 4 seasons the month falls in. To get a better overview, I prefer to sketch the program on paper first and then type it into the TI-74. The single-line display makes it difficult for me to keep track of things when programming directly into the device. What is Pascal anyway? Pascal is a programming language, designed as a small efficient language, intended to encourage good programming practices using structured programming. It is named after French mathematician, philosopher, and physicist Blaise Pascal. To exit Pascal mode, type the command BY. This switches back to standard basic mode. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Goodbye for now.